What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Zeus Longkeana and I hope you guys are always doing great every day. So today guys, I want to welcome you to my brand new video, which is about the unboxing of the BM800 condenser microphone. This one, and it's a package actually, and the sound card V8. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start first with the BM800 condenser microphone package. Let's start with this microphone. This is the BM800 microphone. Along with this, we have the sponge microphone cap. And then this is the shock mount. And then we have this pop shield, or sometimes they call it the pop filter. Okay, and it has a clamp. Okay, and then we also have this cable. Yeah, this is the XLR cable. Okay, and then this one is the 3.5 millimeter microphone jack. Okay, and then this is the articulating arm stand. When you set this up, you can choose the angle that you want. Okay, and then this is the clamp. Okay, this is the clamp. Okay, and there is this free tiny thing here, the sound card. You can connect this directly to your PC or your laptop. Okay, and this package, the BM800 condenser microphone package, cost me for only 424 baht from Lazada. So you can check the link in the description below. And now let's go to the sound card V8. This is the sound card V8. The sound card V8 cost me for only 425 baht from Shopee. Just multiply it by 1.6 and that's the amount in peso. The total amount includes also the shipment fee. Okay, so along with this sound card V8 are the three cables. Yeah, the three cables here. We have two red cables and the black one. Okay, both of these guys are available in Lazada, Shopee, and Amazon, so you can check them out. We're done guys, and now let's set this up. Okay, now guys, let's start setting this up. Okay, if you don't want to use this articulating arm, if you have a stand like this for your microphone, you can use this one. There are varieties of microphone stand that you can choose from. Okay, now let's start with this one, the microphone. Okay, if you want to use the sponge microphone cap, just insert it like this, and then the XLR. Okay, like this. Okay, now we're done with that microphone. If you don't want to use the articulating arm, you can use a microphone stand like this. Okay, now if you don't like this, so if you don't like that stand, now this time you can clamp this to any corner of the table. So I'll set this up here. And then this one. And then you can connect this shock mount to this thing here with the screw. Okay, like this. Okay, and then you can do it this way. And then this one. Okay, and then this pop filter or pop shield. We usually connect this one here. Okay guys, so we're done setting up the BM800 condenser microphone. Okay, now guys, let's move to the setting up of the sound card V8. Okay, and let's put this on this side first. Okay, so this is the sound card V8. Okay, and now we are going to connect these three cables here. Okay, first off, okay, so you can see here the charging, the live 1, live 2, backing track, and then we have the earphone, headphone, and then the condenser microphone, and then the dynamic microphone. So you will use this black cable to the charging port. Okay, this is the charging port guys, and then we will use this small tip here, because this is the USB that you will plug this into the PC or to your laptop, so that it will charge, and at the same time it will also be the source of your accompaniment if you want to go recording. Okay, so let's insert this. Okay, we're done. And then you are going to connect this to your laptop. So let's use the laptop. Here's the laptop. Okay, and then you're going to connect this one to the USB port here. Okay, now guys, it's plugged into the laptop, so you will see the V8 sound card. The button here has now this red light here, so it means that this unit is charging. Okay, this is actually the power on and off button. Okay, now let's go to the live. For the live one, okay, so you will insert this one to the live one. It's either you insert this to live 1 or live 2. This is where we connect your live video. Okay, so you will connect this now to your phone, okay, or to your laptop also. If you want to use the live 2, it's okay also. You can, and then connect this to your phone. And now let's go to the backing track. Okay, now this time you are going to connect the other red cable to the backing track. Okay, there. Okay, now let's go back so that you won't get lost. Okay, so the live one is for your phone to capture your live video or to capture your live recording. Okay, so phone or PC or laptop. And then the backtracking, you can also connect this to your laptop or to your phone. Okay, if you want to connect this backtracking to your laptop, you will now this time use this small sound card, okay, and then connect this to your PC, this one. Okay, let's connect this, and then this one here. There. Okay, now we're done. We're done with the 3 cables. Now this time we are going to connect the condenser microphone. Okay, so you're going to connect this one to the condenser microphone. Okay, so we're done. If you want to hear the live sound, you can use your earphone. Okay guys, so we're done with the setup, but we're not going to test right now because I'm gonna make a separate video of these things here. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching, and thank you for your support. And if this is your first time to visit my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking this red button below and the bell notification icon so that you won't miss anything, and you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So thank you so much guys. See you next time.